Hey, I'm Nicole with DoMyOwn.com. If you're dealing with ants inside or outside your home, the right combination of products and practices can help eliminate the problem and prevent future infestations. Use ant baits both indoors and outdoors. Indoors, you can use gel baits or granule baits or bait stations where you see ant activity. Ants will carry the bait back to the colony and spread it out to the others. Outdoors, you can place granular or liquid bait stations along ant trails, near nests, and around the perimeter of your home. Baits take time to work, but are highly effective for whole colony control. Spray for ants indoors and outdoors. Indoors, you want to apply a residual spray along the baseboards, under sinks, around windows, around doors, and other entry points. Outdoors, you want to spray around the foundation of your home, doorways, windows, and any visible ant trails. If you aren't using a spray with a transfer effect, you'll need to locate mounds or nests directly to drench them with an insecticide labeled for that application. Need help getting started? DoMyOwn has professional-grade ant control kits that include everything you need: baits, sprays, expert-selected products designed to work together for maximum effectiveness. Once you've chosen the right ant control products for your needs, it's important to support them with proper sanitation measures. Start by eliminating food sources. Indoors, you want to clean up food spills and crumbs, store food in sealed containers, and be sure you're taking out the trash regularly. Outdoors, don't leave pet food out. Be sure to clean up grease or food from around grills and patios. Good sanitation makes your home less attractive to ants. You also want to implement an outdoor sanitation program. Trim away tree bushes and trees that are up against your house, remove leaf litter and yard debris, and eliminate standing water areas. Reducing harborage areas makes it harder for the ants to nest near your home. If you do have landscaping against your house that can't be moved, make sure you rake it back a few inches from the foundation to discourage them from nesting right up against the foundation. And turn and treat that mulch and pine straw regularly. Cool, damp places like this are common places ants like to nest. Ant colonies can be very large, or further away, or very deep in the soil. Time and patience are needed for complete control. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment what you'd like to see more of. And visit DoMyOwn.com for all your pest control, animal health, and lawn care products, and resources to help you DIY like a pro.